today's episode, we are going to do our first unboxing. Wow. It's of the 2025 Collector's Series Matchbox, and it is Case B. So, let's get right to it. According to eBay, this was delivered on Friday, so I get excited. I go running out, looking out the front door. Not there. What? Got delivered to my neighbor's house. Oops. So 3 days later, I get this. Purchased on eBay. Oh, look at that.
Whoa.
Gives me a thank you.
Yeah.
Very nice. What do we have? There should be 5 cars in here. Ooh, plastic bags. I live on the East Coast. They don't trust us with plastic bags any longer. That's a hot commodity. All right, here we go. Cost me $60 for these 5 cars. All in all, that's not too bad.
Ooh.
What do we have here? 1988 Mazda RX-7 convertible. Nice gold wheels. Opening front hood. Leave it like that. Next up. Getting all excited here. Oh, I like the black, and I like the lime green graphics with gray. Very nice. 2015 Porsche Spider. Nicely done. All that. Wow. Jaguar, 1993 Jaguar XJ220S. Nice. Wonder if anything opens on this piece. I don't believe so. Go back to the Porsche. I think we're going to have to take a few of these out of their boxes. Really check them out. Okay. Next on the list, we'll go with this one. Oh, I like this one. Yeah. 1970 AMC Javelin. Oh, wow. Yeah, the Javelin. Good car. Ah, look at that. Opening front hood. Very good. Nicely painted headlamps. Very good. Tail lamps. Ah, that's a nice car. Last, but certainly not least. Ah, you can't go wrong with a GMC stepside. 1957. Has GMC on the back. Very good.
Wow!
road trip. Arranged in alphabetical order. AMC, GMC, Jaguar, Mazda, and Porsche. That's...
Place your bets.
I don't know if we have a real winner, but it sure was fun. Thank you for watching. Please click like and subscribe.